Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about different types of hydrates. Dihydrogen has the ability to combine with element to form binary compounds known as hydrates. These hydrates are expressed as EHX, for example, beryllium hydrate BeH2, or EXHY, for example, diborane B2H6. Hydrates can be classified into three types: covalent hydrates, ionic hydrates, and metallic hydrates. Let us study about covalent hydrates. Covalent hydrates are also known as molecular hydrates. These are formed by the covalent bonding between hydrogen and an element. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine covalently with one atom of oxygen to form a molecule of water. Thus, water, that is the hydrate of oxygen, is a covalent hydrate. Just like oxygen, which is a p-block element, most of the p-block elements form covalent hydrates. Covalent hydrates are further of three types. These are electron deficient, electron precise, and electron rich hydrates. Electron deficient hydrates are formed by group 13 elements like boron. A boron atom has 3 electrons in its outermost shell, with which it forms 3 covalent bonds with 3 hydrogen atoms. This results in the formation of boron hydrate. Now, if you look at the outermost shell of the boron atom of boron hydrate, you will find only 6 electrons there. This means that the boron atom in boron hydrate is 2 electrons short of the complete octet. Due to the incomplete octet of boron, boron hydrate is unstable and usually exists as its dimer diborane. Such hydrates like boron hydrates that have an electron deficient central atom are called electron deficient hydrates. Let us now learn about electron precise hydrates. These hydrates are formed by group 14 elements like carbon. A carbon atom, as you may know, has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. Using the 4 valence electrons, a carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms, resulting in the formation of methane, that is the hydrate of carbon. Thus, the outermost shell of a carbon atom has 8 electrons and all of these are involved in bonding. That is, there is no lone pair of electrons. Such hydrates that have a complete octet in the outermost shell of the central atom without any lone pair of electrons are called electron precise hydrates. Now we learn about electron rich hydrates. These hydrates are formed by elements of group 15, 16 and 17 in the periodic table. For example, nitrogen belonging to group 15 on combining with hydrogen forms is hydrate ammonia. In an ammonia molecule, the central nitrogen atom has a complete octet in its outermost shell. However, of the 8 electrons in its valence shell, 2 electrons do not involve in bonding and exist as a lone pair of electrons. Similarly, the hydrates of group 16 like water exist with 2 lone pairs of electrons, and hydrates of group 17 like hydrogen fluoride exist with 3 lone pairs of electrons. Such hydrates that have a complete octet in the outermost shell of the central atom with 1 or more lone pairs of electrons are called electron rich hydrates.